Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Audi A4 shift knob. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is off. Gather your tools, such as a plastic trim removal tool and a flathead screwdriver. Understanding the steps will make this process much smoother and prevent any damage to your car's interior. Let's get started with the preparation. Before you begin, make sure your Audi A4 is in a safe, stationary position. Engage the parking brake firmly and place the gear selector into neutral or park, depending on your transmission type. Having the right tools, especially a non-marring trim removal tool, will protect your interior surfaces from scratches during the process. This preparation is key for a successful removal. Now, gently pry up the shift boot trim from the console using your trim removal tool. Once the trim is loose, you can unclip the shift boot from the base of the knob itself. With the boot detached, firmly grasp the shift knob and twist it counterclockwise a quarter turn, then pull it straight upwards with a strong, steady motion. It may require some force to release. After removing the knob, take a moment to inspect all components for any wear or damage. It's also a great opportunity to clean the area around the shifter before installing a new knob or reattaching the old one. Reinstallation is straightforward. Simply reverse the steps. Align the new knob, push down firmly, and reattach the boot and trim until everything clicks securely into place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.